Hey, we're gonna call people. This is my brother. Alright, so yeah, we're calling some people from Restricted. Make sure I do star 67 this time, actually, not pound 67. Alright. This is Catherine, I'm calling.
She's not answering.
Nope.
Leave her a voicemail.
Alright, I'm gonna leave a voicemail. Hi. My name's John Uczkowski, and you kinda sorta didn't pick up.
A little bit.
Just a little. So, I was just calling because you gave me your number, and you told me to please call, but you didn't pick up. So, well, alright. I guess it didn't want me to leave a longer message. Alright, so the next person we're calling, they didn't write their name, so I have no idea what their name is. But it is Checkers the Horse we are calling this time. Hi.
Hi.
This is John Uczkowski.
I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Bye.
Well,
That's awkward. I'm pretty sure I dialed it right, too. Hold on.
you put a 6. Isn't it an 8?
No, I was calling this person.
513.
Don't say that number out loud.
Oh, that's why you put it. Never mind.
No, I wrote the right number, though. This is depressing. I think the mom picked up. Alright. Hopefully we don't have any more of those encounters, because that was quite awkward. Alright. Last call. Hopefully she picks up. This is baby girl 7713. Love this song. Hi.
Who is this?
This is John Uczkowski.
Oh, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
How are things
Who are
going?
you?
We're making a video right now. So, you're gonna be on YouTube.
That's cool.
Yep. So, how old are you?
I'm 13.
13. It's a good age.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm glad you picked up, because that was the last call of the day. So, hope you have a great day.
You too.
How's your summer been?
Pretty good.
That's good.
Hanging out with a lot of friends or no? Maybe?
Hanging out with any friends?
Or just sitting on YouTube.
Oh, All right.
Oh wait, did she hear us?
Did you hear us?
No.
Oh,
Oh.
we asked if you were hanging out with a lot of friends or, you know, playing sports or anything.
Getting active, you know.
I run.
You run?
Yeah.
Track?
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, well, maybe I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, I lied. I'm gonna person screen name is Blue Waffle 69.
We'll see if we get a live one on this one.
Maybe she'll scream.
Yeah, maybe. All the other ones are like really quiet.
Yeah. All right, so let's call.
Whoa. I hope they have a cool playback.
That would be great.
Hello.
Hi, this is John Uczkowski. John Uczkowski. Hi.
How are you?
What? I wait. Can you wait? Can you stop screaming? I don't really understand you. Yeah. No. It's John. It's John.
It's just John. It's just John. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jo-
Yeah. John.
John, I'm gonna marry you, John.
She wants to marry me.
John,
She says she wants to marry me.
you.
I don't know if you guys can hear this, but she says she wants to marry John.
That's my sexy brother.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm seeing him on your videos. What's his name?
What?
What's your brother's name?
Darius.
I'm gonna marry Darius.
Alright.
Alright,
I'm gonna marry Darius.
alright. It was nice talking to you.
What?
Alright, Blue Waffle 69, it was nice talking to you. Go watch more of my YouTube videos.
This one will be up in about probably by the end of the day. So yeah.
Yeah.
I think I peed myself.
She thinks she peed herself. Alright. Well,
I love you, John. I love you, Darius.
I love you too. Alright. Bye.
I'll be waiting for you.
She said she'd be waiting for me.
oh, that was a little weird. Okay.
Well, this certainly was an interesting time.
And
That last girl really screamed a lot.
yeah. Guess we'll see you guys next time, right?
Yeah. Stay classy. Yeah.